Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring using HDMI cable. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. This is a HDMI cable from TV. I have connected this HDMI cable to HDMI port 2 of the TV. We need an adapter like this. This is USB Type-C to HDMI 2.1 adapter. This USB Type-C pin we can connect to iPhone. Here in this HDMI 2.1 port, we can connect HDMI cable from TV. Let me connect HDMI cable from TV to HDMI port of this adapter. Okay, done. Then I am going to connect this USB Type-C pin of this adapter to this iPhone. So let me connect. Okay, done. Then please wait. See, screen mirroring is working. Let me focus TV screen. Please ensure that you have selected proper HDMI port in TV. Otherwise, you won't be able to see this iPhone screen in your TV. Using TV remote, you can select proper HDMI port. So this way we can do screen mirroring. Next I will show you how we can switch display to full screen. So let me open Safari web browser, then switch this phone display to landscape mode. See, so this way we can switch display to full screen. So if you want to stop this mirroring, just remove this cable, that's all. Done. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.